In this session, what I want to do is I want to show you how to input topography points, how to delete those points if necessary, how to move those points if you need to, and how to get just a quick general understanding of the topography layer. It's very simple to input points. There's a couple different ways you can do it. Notice right now we're in the planning grid, but if you go over to the left hand side to the layer manager, if you click on topography and highlight that, then click on the pencil, you're ready to start adding topography points. You can actually, let's scroll back over here to 0, 0. You can actually go two different ways to do this. One, notice the crosshairs there. I can simply hover over the top of the grid until I get the point lined up that I want. When I click on that, it brings up a properties box for this particular topography point. I can either manually change these figures here, or I can use the up and down arrows. Elevation is simply up and down from this 0 point here. Away is either minus or positive from this 0 point here on your grid. Lateral will always stay at 0 because we have no left-right information. We've just created a point, our first topography point. Let's add another. The other way that you can do it is just by simply clicking on the mouse and letting go of it. The properties box comes up. If you're okay with the information there, you can just okay it. You've got another point. Again, clicking and dragging, you're building topography points. Scroll over a little. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and build a quick topography layout for a plan that we can use at a later time. Now I've just created some topography points or a plan. What I want to do is I'll scroll out a little by hitting the F6 button so you can see more of the plan. I want to show you now how simple it is to move a point. If you've still got your topography layer highlighted, if you click on the move button, then you click on that point and hold the mouse button down, you can move that point wherever you want to. When you drop it, you can move it out, up, down. When you drop it, your properties box will come back up. At that point, you can fine tune it if you'd like. Okay, we can move the next point. Properties box comes up again, and so on. Say we want to delete a point. Deleting a point is very simple. Scroll over here to the end. If we wanted to remove these 2 points, all we have to do is click on the erase button, click on that point. Do we wish to remove this data? Yes. Let's remove this one. Yes. Now we want to add a couple more points back. Simply go back to the pencil. That's how easy adding topography points is. Remember, it's only as detailed as you make it, so if you don't have an exact survey with exact elevations and distances, then that's okay. You can still get a pretty basic plan set up. And if you do have exact survey points and you put those in, you can also make a very accurate plan that way also.